the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Okay, well, that was a real pain to get off. Very cheap, sharp plastic. That's how that happened. Right, once you've taken the Aero wheels off, you need to come into the settings. So that's, you tap on the car settings, you go into service, and then you change your wheels. There we go. Click on the drop down, click on 18-inch Aero cap kit, confirm, and that's that. And look at that, the wheels have changed on there as well. Yeah, so that happened. It just randomly rebooted. Okay.